What's up, everybody? I'm going to share my adventures with you this week. And this week's adventure with Mr. Smiley's takes you to Dignity Health Sports Park. It was once known as the Home Depot Center. And it is home to the 5-time world champion, the LA Galaxy. We made our way into the stadium. Me and my boy Gabe, we got through security. We went to go pick up our credentials. We pretty much had run of the whole stadium, except for the field. That's pretty hard to get into. And it was a full crowd, as you can see. And we hung out with the crowd for a little bit. The fans were absolutely having a great time. It was a full house. Great crosstown rivalry between LA Galaxy and LAFC. And here they are, entering the stadium. They were bussed in and they were escorted in by sheriffs and staff, all having a good time. And here's where our activation took place, in this trussing area. And here's where we set up our 360. We had plenty of space. We had lighting because we were in the shade. Then we put up the stanchion, so we had a little crowd control. We partied with the fans. We treated them to the 360 experience. Here's the Star Squad getting in on it. They did a great job. Everybody seemed to love it. Best part, we were able to share the experience via text or email, and even airdrop on the spot. We had great internet, so we didn't have any issues. On the way out, we stopped by the Galaxy store, the team store. By then, we had a pretty long day, and we ended it with a nice steak dinner. So thank you all for joining us. Please like and subscribe for more adventures.